This is Max. We got him over 2 years ago. A very sweet dog that we trained. It's a Boston Terrier. As you see, he loves this ball here. I think he has OCD because he's very compulsive to it. But we give him a little time limit and let him play, and he'll fetch it. Do you want? As soon as we say the word ball, he'll run for the ball. Ball. As you see, he's getting the ball. He likes to play tug too. Eventually he'll bring it back up for me to throw back. Ball. You gonna let me throw it? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. This. Down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. There's a ball. Gonna give it to Mama? Max. Come on. The ball. If you never had a dog, Bostons are great dogs to have. They're very sweet, playful. Give me the ball. Nope, you have to drop it. Oh, where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, you still got it in your mouth. Duh. You let me have it? Drop it. Drop it, Max. Drop the ball. Drop it. Drop it. No, I'm not playing that. I'm going to throw it. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. He wants to keep going after it. He'll decide when he wants to give it to me. I'm just going to wait. Now you ready for me to do it? You ready? This is what you want? Ball. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One, two. Calm down. Calm down. Sit. 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 I'm giving him a little bit of time with the ball, but I'm going to put it up shortly. Give me the ball. You gonna give me the ball? This? 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 He wants to play tug. I'm not going to play tug. Nope. That's a ball. It's not a tug toy. Ho, 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 ho. Come on, give me a ball. Anyway, that's Max right there. Yeah, that's you, buddy. I see your eyes. Is that you? Are you Max? Max and the ball. Here we go. I go this way.